What is up, everyone? It's Christian Lopez. In today's video we are going to be installing a cabin air filter on a Jaguar XF. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so we are inside the car right now. I'm in the passenger seat. Now, you're probably going to see me sweating in these Jaguar videos. That's because I'm in the car right now. It's sitting in the sun. And it's like 100 degrees outside right now. So in this car it's like 120. I had the air conditioning running for a little bit to see if that would cool it down, but I literally just turned the car off so I can do the cabin filter, and it immediately got hot again. But let's get to it. So basically, as you can see, that's the driver's seat right here. This is the passenger seat. Now down there is going to be where the cabin filter is. It's going to be underneath here. So we're going to come down there right now, and there's going to be 3 tabs we need to remove. Now you can just use a screwdriver for those tabs, but what I'm actually going to be using is these right here, which are pull pin pliers. Now you can get them from Matco, Snap-on, whatever it is, for like 50 bucks, or you can go to Harbor Freight and get them for like 8 bucks. So that's what I did. Now we are underneath the passenger glove box, and there is going to be a tab right here in the corner, right here, and right there, and that's going to be holding on this little carpet protector. So let's just go through right now, and I'm going to take these plastic pull pins right here and just pull it out. Now we can just pull this plastic, or not plastic, but carpet out the way. Now that is going to expose us right where the cabin filter is. Now on the right hand side, we can see this is going to be where the cabin filter is. There's a small tab. We're going to push in on this tab right here, and then pull on the other tab as well. And once you do that, you can basically pull this down. Just like so. I wanted to show you guys real quick a comparison between the old and the new. Obviously the new one right here looks much cleaner. Exact same size. In the old one does have leaves and basically dirt and debris that has just traveled into the filter over time. Now, one cool thing that Jaguar did, there's some other companies that don't do this, it's kind of nice that they do, but they actually show you right here the airflow of the filter. Because lots of times you'll be installing these things and they don't show you, so you kind of have to go off of the OEM one. But if someone installed it aftermarket and didn't put it the right way, you may also be putting it incorrectly. So the airflow is going that way, so that means that way, which means we're going to put this in just like so. Now you're going to slide it in. There's those tabs right there. You're going to slide it in on it. Now it's hard to do this with one hand because I'm holding the camera. So let's see if I can do it. Oh, yeah, I can. There we go. Now let's throw this thing back in the car. Okay, so we are now going to be reinstalling the cabin filter. So as you can see, that hole's right there. We are basically just going to insert the filter like so, and then basically just push itself all the way up. There we go. Now it's going to make sure you clip both the front and back in place, and there we go. Now we're just going to install the protective carpet and we'll be done with the installation. So obviously that is a really simple install. Basically 3 clips, well 5 clips in total. The 3 to get the carpet off, the 2 to drop the filter, and then basically throw a new filter in. Hopefully this video helps out some people. Make sure to like, rate, comment, subscribe, and share. And I have a Twitter, make sure to check that out. Thanks guys, have a good day.